You're in the kitchen with the People's Pharmacy.
One important healthy habit is to start your day with a good breakfast. And one of our favorites is Joe's brain-boosting smoothie.
One of the first ingredients you want to try is cod liver oil. It sounds terrible, but it's not bad. In fact, we think it tastes really good. It has anti-inflammatory properties, so it's good for your arthritis, and it's good for your brain. Next,
I'm putting in a tablespoon.
Tablespoon. Next, you want to try a little tart cherry juice. The tart cherry juice inhibits an enzyme called COX-2. It's the same enzyme that's affected by the drug, the prescription drug, Celebrex.
He put in a cup.
What's next?
Next is whey powder for the protein.
Yeah, one of the things that's so important to get your day off is enough protein. So we like to add whey protein. It's really going to kind of give you that boost you need to get going. Then,
2 scoops.
2 scoops of whey. Now we're going to add a serving of yogurt.
That's a single serving carton.
Low fat, that's our preference.
And then we'll put in a cup and a half of berries. These are frozen berries. It makes the smoothie cold and thick.
Now, the reason that we like berries so much, and this is blueberries and blackberries, is that the berries are what does it for the brain. That's why we call it Joe's Brain Boosting Smoothie, because there's now a lot of good research to suggest that berries help those synapses in your brain snap the way they're supposed to. By the way, if you have high blood pressure, you might want to add a little beet juice. There is now research to suggest that beet juice is about as effective as some medications.
And that would be a cup.
So now we've got all of the ingredients that really are fabulous for a great breakfast. And look at that color. Is that not just beautiful?
Well, that color is due to the anthocyanidins in the berries, and that's what we think is so helpful for the cognitive benefits in the brain.
What a great way to start your day.